we have already studied about GST. Now, if we talk about GST and the rate of GST is 18%, then there can be two scenarios. One is intrastate transaction, that is, if the transaction happens within state, then what will happen? Well, CGST collected will be 9% and SGST collected will be 9%. So whatever is the rate of GST, that will be divided into two equal halves, and one part will be collected by the central government as CGST and one part will be collected by the state government or union territorial government. So that will be SGST or UGST. Now let's come to interstate transaction. In this scenario, what will happen? Well, the transaction is happening interstate, that is one state to another. Then the entire amount will be collected as IGST, that is 18%, and later on this amount will be distributed to states accordingly. So now that we know this, let's try to solve some problems related to GST. So we have this problem where for the following transaction within Delhi, MRP is 14,000 rupees, discount is 20%, GST is 18%, and we need to find out CGST, SGST, IGST and the total bill amount. So first of all, what is given to us? We know that transaction is within Delhi. So it is an intrastate transaction, right? Because transaction is happening within the state. Now we have MRP 14,000, discount is 20% and GST is 18%. Now what happens in the case of intrastate transaction? Well, the GST is divided into two equal halves and one part is collected by the central government as CGST and one part is collected by the state government as SGST. So if GST is 18%, then two equal halves, that is 9% each. So CGST will be 9%, SGST will be 9%. And since this is an intrastate transaction, so there will be no IGST in this case, right? So we'll have CGST 9%, SGST 9% and there is no IGST applicable in this case. Now, in order to calculate these values, what do we need? Well, GST is always calculated on SP, that is selling price. So we need to calculate selling price first. Now we have MRP which is 14,000, which is the list price, and we have discount that is 20%. So we'll have to apply the discount on the list price and then what we get is the selling price. So selling price is MRP or list price minus discount, and this discount is calculated on the MRP or list price, right? So MRP, that is 14,000 minus 20% of 14,000, that is 20 by 100 into 14,000. So what is the final amount? The final amount will come to 11,200. So this is our selling price or SP. Now once we have the selling price 11,200, we can now calculate CGST and SGST. So both are 9% and 9% of what? 9% of the selling price, that is CGST will be 9% of 11,200, right? Similarly, SGST will also be 9% of 11,200. So what will be CGST? 9% of 11,200, which is 9 by 100 into 11,200, which is 1,008. Similarly, SGST will also be 1,008. So now we have selling price which is 11,200 we have CGST which is 1008 and SGST which is also 1008. Now, can we calculate the final amount to be paid by the customer? Well, the customer will pay the selling price as well as the GST. So, both these amounts will be added to the selling price and the final amount is what is to be paid by the customer. So, the total amount is SP 11,200 plus CGST 1008 and SGST 1008. So, the total amount comes to 13,216. So, this is the amount that the customer will pay as the final amount. Now, let's come to another question. So, here we see that Gaurav from Delhi sells an item to Samir in Jaipur. Details of the transactions are given below. So, list price is 12,000 rupees, discount is 30% and GST is 5%. And what will be the tax and total amount to be paid? So, we need to calculate the tax and total amount to be paid. Now, here we see that Gaurav is from Delhi and is selling an item to Samir in Jaipur. So, there is an interstate transaction happening. So, can you tell me what are the taxes that will be applied on this transaction? Will it be SGST? Will it be CGST? Will it be IGST? Or will it be CGST plus SGST? What do you think will be the right answer? Well, let's see what will be the right answer. So, we know that this is an interstate transaction from Delhi to Jaipur, right, which is in Rajasthan. So, Delhi to Rajasthan, interstate transaction. So, we will have no CGST and no SGST. There will be only IGST, which is the entire GST amount will be collected as IGST in this case by the central government, right. Now, let's come to sale price, because only when we have the sale price we can calculate IGST or any kind of GST, because it is applied on the sale price. Now, sale price is nothing but list price minus discount. Discount is 30%. 30% of what? 30% of the list price. So, list price minus discount, that is 12,000 minus 30% of 12,000. So, 30 by 100 into 12,000. Now, this comes to 12,000 minus 3,600, which is 8,400. So, this is the sale price. So, we have got the sale price now. Now, we need to calculate the IGST. Now, IGST will be what? 5% of what? Of the sale price, which is 8,400. So, IGST is 5% of 8,400, which is 5 by 100 into 8,400, that is 420 rupees. So, this is the GST. Now, can we calculate the total amount? Well, the total amount will be sale price plus GST, in this case IGST. So, we have sale price 8,400 and IGST 420. So, total amount is sale price 8,400 plus IGST 420, which comes to 8,820. So, this is the amount which the customer will pay. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions.
Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.